Welcome to the Porphis Support Center. In this video, we're going to walk you through replacing the air valve packing nut on the PHS-135 spray gun. Use flat nose pliers to remove the two circlips. Rotate counterclockwise to remove the fluid adjustment knob. Take out the fluid needle spring. Pull out the fluid needle. Pull out the trigger pin with hole and the standard trigger pin. Take off the trigger. Use the wrench to unscrew the air valve assembly counterclockwise. Take out the air valve needle and air valve spring. In most cases, you only need to replace the air valve packing nut itself. During installation, make sure the white washer on top of the packing nut is not missing. Also, apply a grain-sized drop of removable thread locker to the threads. Reinsert the air valve needle and spring into the new packing nut. Use the wrench to screw the air valve assembly back in clockwise. Once you feel resistance, tighten it by another 1/4 turn. Put the trigger back, aligning its pinhole with the hole on the gun body. Reinsert the standard trigger pin. Use flat nose pliers to install the upper circlip, making sure it snaps fully into place. Reinstall the trigger pin with hole. Reinsert the fluid needle. Use flat nose pliers to install the lower circlip. Put back the fluid needle spring and fluid adjustment knob. Gently pull the trigger. If it moves smoothly, you're all set.